Well, the University of Nebraska-Lincoln is working to support the state's livestock producers and processors. An initiative aims to provide an array of workforce development opportunities to help promote best-in-class practices. Head of the Animal Science Department, Clint Krehbiel, joins us now with the latest on those efforts. And thank you very much for your time this morning, Clint. Could you begin, first of all, by describing the project you guys have pulled together?
Good morning, Janet. Really appreciate the opportunity. So the Nebraska Meat Science Technology and Innovation Center is a multidisciplinary center that's really aimed at supporting the livestock and meat producers in the state of Nebraska and region. The center is a culmination of a lot of investments the university has made recently, including the Food Processing Center, Feedlot Innovation Center, the Nebraska Veterinary Diagnostics Center, and then education platforms across the entire state of Nebraska, again aimed at supporting a resilient, robust, sustainable meat industry for this state. The next phase in that process is to renovate our Leffel Meat Laboratory, our current meat laboratory. The last renovation of that facility was in the 1930s, and it's really time to upgrade that space in order to give our students and other workforce the opportunity to learn in a cutting-edge, modern, fully operational and functioning facility.
So what has been the response from meat processors and also producers across the Husker State so far?
Overwhelmingly positive support. We've received notes and letters from producers, processors, and other industry stakeholders about the importance of this project. For example, Bill Lucky is a swine producer that actually worked at the Leffel Meat Lab as an undergraduate student, and during COVID saw the opportunity, as he and many other swine producers were facing slaughtering hogs, market-ready hogs, and so he contacted us and we opened our facility and were able to move that product to local food banks. One thing that Bill noted was certainly we have a willingness to help, but the challenge is limited cooler space, and so you can just begin to see the importance of renovations of our facilities in order to meet the needs of our producers and processors in the state of Nebraska.
Why is the stakeholder support so important to get this off the ground and running?
So as a land-grant institution, our mission of research, teaching, and outreach, as the state's university, of course, our first and foremost job is to listen to the needs of our stakeholders. And so we want to be in a position to not only respond to needs of producers like we were able to do for Bill Lucky during COVID, but more importantly, think about young producers, entrepreneurs, and how we can support them as they develop businesses from direct marketing to consumer-ready products.
All right. Well, thank you very much for the insight. We appreciate it. Head of the UNL's Department of Animal Science, Clint Krehbiel, connecting with us here today. Of course, you can go online to animalscience.unl.edu for more information. Again, thank you, sir.